Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, the past few days, very apparent that, the bears have taken back over full control, which is a shame because not that long ago, the price made a beautiful, strong move to the upside. But after that, it was almost like kind of a last gasp because the price has been fully in the bears' favor ever since then. So right now, it just essentially becomes a matter of, when, are the bulls going to try to take back over control or, form some sort of base? And as of right now, the bulls are definitely trying. As several times this afternoon, the price has tried to push down through that 63-cent mark. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls have done a great job of holding. So again, I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole lot this afternoon. The price has been trying to push down through there, but the bulls have really dug in and become stubborn at that area. So while that doesn't mean this is a guaranteed bottom at 63, it at least makes sense to question that, hey, you know what, maybe this could potentially be some sort of bottom because the price has been putting up a good fight there. In the event the price does not hold above that area, then the next level of support to keep an eye on would be at those previous lows down there at the 62-cent mark, and that comes from back there on September 11th. So that would be multiple weeks ago at that point. But again, to be fair, and so far so good, 63 cents has been doing a great job of holding as support. In the event there is any sort of bounce to the upside, the easiest way to kind of just gauge the overall trend of things is just to watch that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself further and further downwards and get more relevant. Because I get it, yeah, right now that's way up there and it's valued at 71 cents. But again, as the week plays out, that line will move itself downwards, and the value of that line will also, move, further and further down and get more relevant. So again, as far as supports are concerned, right here at 63, next one at 61, and then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of bounce to the upside, then keep your eye on that 50-period moving average, and we'll see what happens with it. Good news is there's still 3 days left this week, so plenty of time to try to turn things around, so let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.